Hi everybody, I'm Rob Raybon, and it's currently wintertime in Maryland. A few of our cars haven't been driven in a while, so we have a lot of dead batteries. So in today's video, we're going to look at the Type S lithium-ion jumper pack. As of right now, they're only about $79, and we're going to use it to start up my girlfriend's twin-turbo 2012 Mustang. She hasn't driven it all winter because there's salt on the roads, and it's not good to put salt all over the bottom of your Mustang, especially a really nice twin-turbo one. You can buy these jumper packs at Costco and also on Type S's website. I currently have a lot of different Type S products on my car, but I'm extra excited about this one. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this and charge it up overnight and then check it out tomorrow morning and see if we can get one of the cars started. So it comes with the jump starter, obviously. The one thing I wasn't expecting was this really nice carrying case. It's a nice hard case. It seems to be a nice zipper on it, and it has accessories inside. Get some instructions, and you get the actual jumper cables for the jump box. It also has a cigarette lighter adapter, so you can charge this thing if you're on the road. This is going to be USB chargeable. You can also charge USB powered devices off of this jump box, which is another really awesome feature, especially if you're a videographer slash photographer like myself. From the factory, it comes with a little bit of charge. It's at 72% right now, but we're going to charge this thing up fully just so we can do a really good test of it tomorrow. This jumper pack has a lot of cool features. It is USB chargeable. It comes with an LED flashlight with strobe and hazard modes, which is good if you're on the side of the road. You can go ahead and turn that on and keep yourself safe. It has a safe and smart polarity and overcharge protection, so if you do hook this thing up backwards or something, it's not going to explode in your hand or anything. To charge the jump starter, all you have to do is plug this into a USB output. You can do it in your car with the included USB cable and cigarette lighter adapter, or you can do it in your house with any kind of USB charger. So to use this jump starter, all you have to do is plug the included jumper cables into the pack and then connect those clamps right to your battery, and that's it. You're ready to go. The jumper pack can also be used as a USB power bank. It has a USB output. You can use this to charge your cell phone if you're on the go, and you can also charge all your camera batteries. It's because this thing's so dead you can't even use the key fob to open it. See, it does nothing. We gotta actually unlock it manually. We're going to see what kind of voltage we actually have on this right now. So we have 1 volt DC on this thing. Alright, let's see what the Type S jumper can do. You're going to take out the jumper box, take out your cables. Warning label says be sure to disconnect this within 30 seconds of starting the vehicle. I guess I can start backfeeding onto the jumper pack. Just keep that in mind. Just plug it in. Make sure that your negative goes to negative and your positive goes to positive. Positive's going to be a red wire usually, and black is going to be your negative. And then this is ready to go. And this thing's hard to get into. Make sure it's neutral. After you're done doing that, start the car. Reading 97% even after jumping that dead ass battery, which is pretty awesome. Only used 3% for that. That's a good looking motor. Twin Turbski. After you start your vehicle, you're going to want to let it run for a little while so the battery can start charging itself on the alternator. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that thing's super simple to use, and it's cheap enough that you can just buy one and keep it in the car. It's a lot more convenient than calling up your buddy and trying to get him to come over and jump start your car. I don't even want to move a vehicle from another parking spot to jump my car now. I just use the Type S battery jumper. It's been a couple minutes and this isn't my car, so I'm going to shut it off. That's it for the video. This is a really awesome jumper pack. It's really good to have in your daily driver or if you're going on any kind of road trip. So please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed this video and if you're into car stuff. And please have a fantastic day.